Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Victorian age. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 265 up to part 11. This is Victorian age part 12. डियर फ्रेंड्स दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी यूजफुल फॉर कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम। तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस को जानना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का विक्टोरियन एज पार्ट 12 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 266। टू मेक हिज लैंग्वेज डिफ़िकल्ट लाइक दैट ऑफ रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग मेरिडिथ मेड एक्सेसिव यूज ऑफ। ब्राउनिंग की तरह अपनी लैंग्वेज को डिफ़िकल्ट करने के लिए मेरिडिथ ने क्या अधिक मात्रा में यूज किया? ऑप्शन ए मेटाफर एंड सिंबल्स, ऑप्शन बी सिमिली एंड इमेजेस, ऑप्शन सी एलिट्रेशन एंड सिंबोलिज्म, ऑप्शन डी एलेगरी एंड सिंबल्स। सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? द करेक्ट आंसर इज मेटाफर एंड सिंबल्स. Metaphor and symbols is the correct answer. Now question number 267. The prose as well as the poetry of this Victorian writer is regarded as intolerably mannered, and he is accused of fixing his attention on style and instead of using a medium which writer being referred here. यहाँ पे किस राइटर की बात हो रही है? तो these four options are here. Sir Walter Pater, Benjamin Disraeli, Benjamin Disraeli, George Meredith, and William Makepeace Thackeray. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is George Meredith. Option C. Option C, George Meredith is the correct answer. Now question number 268. Which of the following is an Eastern romance by George Meredith? Which of the following is an Eastern romance by George Meredith? Option A, The Egoist. Option B, Sandra Belloni. Option C, Rhoda Fleming. Option D, Shaving of Sagpath. Shaving of Sagpath is the correct answer. Option D. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 269. Name the first novel of George Meredith written in 1859. जॉर्ज मेरिडिथ के द्वारा लिखा गया फर्स्ट नॉवल कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए द ट्रेजिक कमेडियंस, ऑप्शन बी द अमेजिंग मैरिज, ऑप्शन सी द ऑर्डियल ऑफ रिचर्ड फ्यूनरल, एंड ऑप्शन डी द एम्प्टी पर्स. So which one is the correct answer? The Ordeal of Richard Funeral is the first novel of George Meredith written in 1859. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 270. The Egoist by George Meredith is a comedy in. The Egoist by George Meredith is a comedy in. Option A pictorial, option B narrative, option C Balzac, option D none of these. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is narrative, option B. यानी कि The Egoist by George Meredith is a comedy in narrative. Now question number 271. Now question 71. Name the famous novel of George Meredith in which the character Old Male is the prototype of his own grandfather Melchizedek. Option A Ivan Harrington, option B The Adventures of Harry Richmond, option C The Egoist, and option D Salt and Saxon. So option A Ivan Harrington is the correct answer of this question. यानी कि इवन हैरिंगटन इज द फेमस नॉवल ऑफ जॉर्ज मेरिडिथ इन विच द कैरेक्टर ओल्ड मैन इज द प्रोटोटाइप ऑफ हिज ओन ग्रैंडफादर मिचेल जैक. Now question number 272. 272. George Meredith wrote a critical essay which is very important for understanding Meredith's work. Name that essay. George Meredith wrote a critical essay which is very important for understanding Meredith's work. Name that essay. Option A, Lord Ormond and his Amentia. Option B, Sandra Belloni. Option C, A Reading of the Earth. And option D, The Idea of Comedy. The Idea of Comedy. So which one is the correct answer? The Idea of Comedy is the correct answer of yes. Option D, The Idea of Comedy is the correct answer. Now question number 273. Which novel made Meredith famous? कौन से नॉवल ने विच नॉवल मेड मेरिडिथ को फेमस कर दिया था? ऑप्शन ए, इवान हैरिंगटन. ऑप्शन बी, सैंड्रा बेलोनी. ऑप्शन सी, सेविंग ऑफ सेगपथ. एंड ऑप्शन डी, द एगोइस्ट. द एगोइस्ट. सो द एगोइस्ट इज द नॉवल मेड मेरिडिथ फेमस. ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now question number 274. Name the unfinished novel of Meredith which was published posthumously. Meredith, name the unfinished novel of Meredith. Meredith का unfinished novel जो कि उनकी मृत्यु के बाद मरणोपरांत पब्लिश हुआ कौन सा था? ऑप्शन ए, विक्टोरिया. ऑप्शन बी, साल्ट एंड सेक्शन. ऑप्शन सी, अ रीडिंग ऑफ लाइफ. एंड ऑप्शन डी, द अमेजिंग मैरिज. द अमेजिंग मैरिज. सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? ऑप्शन बी, साल्ट एंड सेक्शन इज द unfinished novel of Meredith which was published posthumously. Now question number 275. 275. Meredith famous volume of poem is. Meredith's most famous volume of poem is. Option A, Ballads and Poems of Tragic Life. Option B, Last Poems. Option C, Modern Love. And option D, Poems and Lyrics of Joy on Earth. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, Modern Love. Modern Love is the correct answer. These questions are very useful for competitive exams. So listen these questions again and again. Now question number 276. Name the politician and novelist of the Victorian age who belonged to Spanish Jewish descent. Name the politician and novelist of the Victorian age who belonged to Spanish Jewish descent. Option A, Benjamin Disraeli. Option B, George Meredith. Option C, William Makepeace Thackeray. And option D, Don Juan Paul. Don Juan Paul. So which one is the correct answer of 276? The correct answer is Benjamin Disraeli, यानी कि option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 277. Disraeli's Young England trilogy consists of 3 novels. Disraeli's Young England trilogy में तीन नॉवेल हैं. 2 of them are, उनमें से 2 हैं Coningsby and Seville. नेम द थर्ड वन. तीसरा कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए, द अमेजिंग मैरिज. ऑप्शन बी, द वार्डन. ऑप्शन सी, लॉथेर. एंड ऑप्शन डी, टेनक्रेड. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, टेनक्रेड. टेनक्रेड इज द थर्ड नॉवल ऑफ trilogy. Now question number 278. The novel in Young England trilogy promulgate Disraeli's doctrine of. The novel in Young England trilogy promulgate Disraeli's doctrines of. Option A, People's Democracy. Option B, Tory Democracy. Option C, Conservative Views. And option D, Liberal Democracy. So which one is the correct answer? Tory Democracy. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 279. Who wrote the Endymion in 1880? Who wrote the Endymion in 1880? Option A, Benjamin Disraeli. Option B, Edward Fitzgerald. Option C, Morris. And option D, A.C. Swinburne. Say A.C. Swinburne. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, and Benjamin Disraeli is the correct answer. Now question number 280. The Infernal Marriage and the Rise of Iskandar are the works of. The Infernal Marriage and the Rise of Iskandar are the work of. Option A, Thomas Carlyle. Option B, William Morris. Option C, Benjamin Disraeli. And option D, George Eliot. So which one is the correct answer? Option C, Benjamin Disraeli is the correct answer. Benjamin Disraeli. Option C, yes. Benjamin Disraeli is the correct answer. Now question number 281. A Scottish essayist, philosopher and historian of the Victorian age is commonly known as the dictator of the period. Who is he? A Scottish essayist, philosopher and historian of the Victorian age is commonly known as the dictator of the period. Option A, who is he? Option A, Thomas Carlyle. Option B, John Ruskin. Option C, Anthony Trollope. And option D, Rudyard Kipling. So Anthony Trollope, option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 282. Who is known as the Sage of Chelsea? Who is known as the Sage of Chelsea? Option A, John Ruskin. Option B, William Morris. Option C, Thomas Carlyle. And option D, Anthony Trollope. And so option C, Thomas Carlyle is the correct answer. Option C, Thomas Carlyle is the correct answer. Now question number 283. Shorter Regards of Carlyle is a disguised spiritual. Option A, autobiography. Option B, biography. Option C, lecture. And option D, essay. So option A, autobiography is the correct answer. Now question number 284. Heroes and Hero Worship by Carlyle is a famous series of. Heroes and Hero Worship by Carlyle is a famous series of. Option A, essays. Option B, poems. Option C, sonnets. And option D, lectures. So option D, lectures is the correct answer. Now question number 285. Macaulay served in India as a legal advisor to the Supreme Council of. Macaulay served in India as a legal advisor to the Supreme Council of. Option A, 1833 to 1837. Option B, 1834 to 1838. Option C, 1835 to 1839. Option D, 1836 to 1840. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B, 1834 to 1838. Now question number 286. Macaulay was raised to the peerage as Baron Macaulay of. Macaulay was raised to the peerage as Baron Macaulay of. Option A, Weatherbury. Option B, Bristol. Option C, Kent. And option D, Rothley. So option D, Rothley is the correct answer. यानी कि Macaulay was raised to the peerage as Baron Macaulay of Rothley. So option D is the correct answer. This is the second last question. Dear friends, these questions are useful for competitive exam. और यदि आपको भी ये क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगे तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और प्लीज़ कुछ ना कुछ जो भी हो सके इसके बारे में कमेंट करिए डियर फ्रेंड्स। और यदि आप चैनल के नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो इनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। क्वेश्चन है, हु रोड एन एसे ऑन मिल्टन इन 1825? हु रोड एन एसे ऑन मिल्टन इन 1825? 25. Option A Thomas Carlyle, option B A.C. Swinburne, option C Thomas B. Macaulay, and option D A.H. Clow. A.H. Clow. So the option C Thomas B. Macaulay, option C is the correct answer. And dear friends, this is the last question. To which general did Macaulay contribute regularly? Option A. Question फिर से, to which general did Macaulay contribute regularly? Option A Edinburgh Review, option B Quarterly Review, option C Reflector, and option D Gentleman's Magazine. So option A Edinburgh Review is the correct answer. Thank you for